Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check in your Ryanair flight. This is useful because it helps you confirm your trip and get your boarding pass before you fly. So don't worry, the process is pretty simple and I'll walk you through the main steps. So to begin, open your browser and go to the official Ryanair website. So when the page loads, you can sign in first if you already have an account, but that part is optional. So after that, look for the bookings section on the top part of the screen and then open it. So from there, you may be asked to log in, or you can search for your trip using your reservation number. If your booking shows up in your account, just select it. If your booking shows up in your account, just select it and press the check in option. The next step is to follow the instructions on the screen to verify your ID card. I won't be covering up the full ID check in this video, but once that part is completed, all the required documents are submitted, you can move forward and get your boarding pass. So in your flight, so in case your flight is not listed in your upcoming trips, you can still continue by entering your reservation number and email address. So after that, just follow the same steps shown on the website. Once the document check is finished, your check-in will be complete. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.